so that's why I couldn't do at that time.
And ito ang China.
Oh yes, yes.
Come on. Ito ha. Okay siya.
We'll need to make a different one. Oh, this. Oh yeah, she has. Remember those teeth that you and I bought at the mall? I still have them.
And the boy's like, oh, like, no, you just put it extra. You can take it with you to the Chinese restaurant.
Thank you. You didn't have to give me anything. Does it look just like that one?
I don't know.
I think so.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. You did not have to give me anything.
So this.
Yours is different.
I told you.
She likes me more. Yeah, mine is prettier.
Look, ponelo ah. Look, ponelo.
Mine is prettier than yours. Because she likes me better.
I'm just kidding, yeah. No, this is perfect. I like it too. We can do it like you said.
Da. Có biết gì thầu đấy.
That's pretty. I like that color.
Just kidding.
I like that
我兩個係老到摸到好嘅，佢係你摸住頭髮，跟住攞，that means nothing.
Can I see yours? Yeah. It's us. I know, but she works harder for me. Because my hands are different. That's pretty.
It needs to.
Sounds like Chinese.
No, that sounds how. Oh, we all have this one.
We all have Chinese. Oh, I didn't know. Oh, yeah. Which is pretty.
Everyone look there.
This is pretty. I like this.
Yeah, I like my.
Thank you so much, now.
Oh, you are welcome.
Wait, does mine and Judy's look the same?
Huh?
So that means next time we go to Sarah, we gotta take this.
I don't know.
Oh, you just randomly gave.
Yeah, I just.
So what do you need for your kitchen?
Oh, I need a fourth.
Kitchen to not look
I need a fourth bedroom, a third bathroom. Yeah.
So you already have 3 bedrooms. Heather's new high new link. She's not for all of us.
Clean your house. Really nice.